Can you do it one more
Keep it
time?
in mind.
Can you do it one more time?
Okay. ありがとうございます。Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. さようなら。
さようなら。
お大事に。
お大事に。
I love you all. 大好きだよ。
大好きだよ。
Oh, great. Okay. Now you can take a nap for yourselves. Refresh. Complete.
Language isn't our barrier, it is our hearts. Guard your heart, and for everything you do flows from it. We believe that our hearts are made for us to bond. But who picks up the pieces when it's hurt? How do we talk again when we begin healing? Language isn't our barrier, it is our hearts. Tough love makes us tough and rough. Love that brings us peace makes us scared, so we guard our hearts. But that pure love from above becomes clear to us that we all can receive rest, healing, play, and forgiveness. It causes us to face our fears and look at our obstacles as gifts. And pure love serves as the acceptance of self in a world that is designed to disconnect our hearts and make us perform for love, instead of just being the embodiment of love. Some people are gifted. Some people like to share their gifts. Some people like to give gifts. Some people like to just simply buy gifts. But it's all a love language that sparks a big one: God. God is generous with us through grace and mercy. He met us through our heartbreak and communicates us through languages of truth, bringing us all back to our inherent nature, love. Love that breaks all binds of oppression, barriers, sickness, addiction, that makes us free. As everyone says, the truth will set you free. But love is that language that sets us free on this earth. Love is the reason that we are here together on earth. Love remembers how we got here. Love will remember us when we leave. So as we heal through the trials of life that makes us conflicted in our hearts and not being able to speak or communicate well, love gives us that present gift that starts over and says, here, come here, sit here. Language isn't our barrier, it is our hearts. Love is our inherent nature from God, and not just our external actions. I solely gotta depend on God, cause okay, so solely gotta depend on the man of sense.
And then you want to ask for it. どうやって行けばいいですか？どう行けばいいですか？ Yes.
どう行けば desu ka?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do it.
Like, for example, like, Tokyo Tower ni.
Tokyo. Okay, so you say the thing first,
Yes.
and then you say the sentence.
Yes.
Okay.
The place and then どう行けばいいですか?
Okay. どうはいいですか?
Yes. And ここは何駅ですか means what station
Okay.
is here.
And then you say it's like right.
Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes I feel like God makes us do the most strangest things. But I trust Him. I just trust God. Despite how I feel right now, I'm so grateful I'm in this country. These people are very loving people. And I just want to pour that same love back into them. And the only way I could do it is through God pouring love into me.